His name Bhima Shankar, age is 21 years and today date is 17th of July 2024 and complain of high pitched voice even after puberty. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here and tell about yourself.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಭೀಮಾ ಶಂಕರ್. ನಾನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್. मैं वॉइस प्रॉब्लम सन वॉइस छोटा वॉइस सदर.
Post therapy video of Bhima Shankar and today date is 22nd July 2024. So Bhima, I want speech sample after treatment. What was the problem and how do you feel after the treatment?
ನಂದು ಮೊದಲ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಭಾಳ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. I am full happy.
Okay, so can you 2-3 sentences in the English, like what was the problem and how do you feel after treatment?
My problem, voice therapy problem.
Voice was like a small child or girl?
Oh, girl's voice.
So after treatment, when you are calling on the phone, what is happening?
Girl's voice.
Earlier it was girls.
Girl's voice.
Now when you are calling on the phone?
Phone voice and change.
So what friends are telling?
Friends need change agide.
Okay, it has changed now.
Changes.
So can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Okay, yes sir.
Okay, thanks for giving the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change in his voice, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for the watching.